What is MIL?
Multimedia Information Literacy is the ability to access,
Analyze, evaluate, and create.
And act upon information presented in various ideas.
Protect your privacy and safety online. You understand how to stay safe online. Protect your personal data from threats and scam.
It helps you analyze news, social media information, instead of just believing everything you see online.
MIL teaches you how to verify sources and avoid being misled by false information.
The news survey as the main spreaders of false information in the country. An overwhelming majority also agree fake news is a problem that should be addressed in the Philippines.
Saira rin. Always acting so perfect.
Why is everyone staring at me like that?
Zaira, there's a post going around. They said you are cheated on exam. It is true.
What? No way! I worked hard for that exam. Why would someone say that?
They say you were suspended and you paid off all the teachers. And I don't believe it. I know you who you are.
Hey Sarah, over the campus now.
Yeah man, cheated and still paid.
What's wrong with you guys? I said I didn't do that.
Ala, nahulog! Ala, nahulog! Ala, nahulog!
Try mo kasi itong Lucky Me Pancit Canton no drink cooking. Bago yan. Magpakulo ng 3/4 cup water at ilagay ang noodles. Haluin ang noodles hanggang matuyo ang tubig. I-mix ang noodles with the seasoning. Enjoy! Pwede rin may itlog. Wow! May itlog!
Edwin, were you the one who posted about me?
It was a joke. Games are trending. Chill.
That was not funny. That's bullying. You damage her reputation.
Sometimes people believe lies more than truth, especially when everyone else believes it.
I just realized now, I really hurt you. I'm sorry, Saira.
I didn't know it was fake. I just shared it right away. Sorry, Saira. I won't happen again.
Let's stop spreading lies. Fake news is not a joke.
Next time, I think before I share, we need to be responsible.
It's okay, guys. I understand. Thank you, and don't do it again.
Protect your privacy and safety online. Protect your personal data and your privacy and safety online. You understand how to protect your personal
Yeah, and
MIL teaches you.
I work hard for that.
Wow.
Hey, Sarah.
You were.
No.
I think before. Think before.
Go.
Wait lang.
Bilangan mo.
Ala, nahulog. Ala, nahulog. Ala, nahulog. Ala, nahulog. Ala, nahulog. Ulit. Oh.
Kapag isubo, sa akin ilalagay yung gano'n. Pag may itlog. Kinain.
Tuhulog. Pinahulog. Log. Ano? Wala yung log.